Forex Factory economic calendar and how to use it. Every Forex trader must consider using an economic calendar when trading Forex. The Forex Factory economic calendar shows the news releases in different countries. The calendar indicates the exact time of each news release and its influence on the market. This is a great indicator for a fundamental analysis of news trading strategy. If you trade on the news, then the economic calendar will be your great help. After being published, the news usually cause a quick reaction in the market. This is the time where traders take advantage of it and enter the market. How to set up your Forex Factory economic calendar. For a start, you can adjust the calendar according to your local time. Once you set up the time, your browser will remember the information. The next time you visit the site, your time preference will be already synchronized. On the bottom, you are asked to register on the site, but it is not necessarily. You can use the Forex Factory calendar without a registration. How to use the economic calendar Forex. Once you enter the Forex Factory calendar page, it is opened for the whole week by default. If you wish to track only the current day, select the appropriate date in the block on the left. How can you know the importance of the news? There is a color indicator placed next to each news or event. Red, the news has a strong impact on the market. Orange, medium impact. Yellow, low impact. White, no impact, non-economic news. The color values of the news in the column actual. Green, the data came out better than expected. Red, the data came out worse than expected. Black, the same as expected. In Forex Factory economic calendar, the news is published immediately after the release. At this time, the calendar displays the icon indicating the expectation of the publication of the actual value. By clicking on this icon after the publication of news, you will see its value. If you have found this information helpful, like it and share it with your friends. Sharing is caring. To learn more information about online trading and its best strategies, join our free e-course, investmentprofits.net. To your success, Keith.